What if you no longer had to fear another attack? Gout? This video will help you with this. We will tell you how to fight gout using the usual remedies and recipes used all over the world. Nothing superfluous, only proven practical information. You will learn, why does gout occur? How to recognize her attack? How do foods help with gout? How to use sunflower, nettle and cherry? What does Dr. Josh Axe advise? How do the Chinese treat gout? And how to dissolve uric acid crystals? Causes of gout. Causes of gout. All symptoms of this diseases occur due to accumulation in the joint's uric acid. This product is a processed food rich in purines. Normally it should be excreted from the body by the kidneys. The amount that remains in the blood of a healthy person. A person is not capable of harming joints and does not lead to the development of gout. Why does this disease exist and is quite widespread? The nature of gouty exacerbations may be related either with impaired renal function or with increased production of uric acid. Gout often develops against the background of other diseases' musculoskeletal system. This occurs due to their improper treatment. When a patient abuses painkillers and non-steroidal, anti-inflammatory drugs, the kidneys just can't handle the load. All of these medications reduce kidney function. Therefore, they should be used when absolutely necessary, and as short a course as possible. If a person takes such medications for a long time, kidney function may decline to critical levels. However, there may be no symptoms for a long time, and when the disease is already identified, restore kidney function will fail. This is a last resort option requiring replacement therapy in the form of dialysis. But even if the blow to the kidneys is not so strong, any decrease in their function will lead to the accumulation of uric acid in the body, which will result in gout. Symptoms of the disease. Symptoms of the disease. The main symptom is pain. Symptoms of the disease: redness and increased temperature in the joint. Most often, the disease first affects the joints of the large toes. But gradually it spreads to other joints of the lower limbs, and then along the joints of the hands. Over the years, as the disease progresses, uric acid begins to accumulate in the joints and under the skin, forming so-called tophi. These are clumps of uric acid that can turn into ulcers. If the clots are large enough, then they are required removed surgically. If this is not done, a rupture is possible in the future. Such a clot and pus getting into the blood, which can lead to death. How to stop the development of gout? Official medicine offers drugs that reduce the level of uric acid, but they also have side effects in the form of negative effects on the kidneys. We want to tell you about traditional medicine recipes, which will help remove uric acid. People who regularly use these recipes note the mild effect without side effects. Let's start with food products that resist gout. 5 remedies for gout. The first product that will help in the fight against gout, this is cherry. It contains substances that can reduce levels of uric acid and suppress inflammation in the body, including joints. To do this, you should eat 15 to 20 berries or drink a glass of cherry juice. The second remedy is apple cider vinegar. It has many useful properties that are used in the treatment of stomach diseases and headache relief. But the main quality of such vinegar is the treatment of gout and arthritis. To do this, dilute a tablespoon of vinegar in a glass water, add a little honey there and drink once a day. The third product is the banana, beloved by many. It contains a large amount of potassium. This trace element is necessary for the functioning of the heart, but also it turns uric acid crystals into liquid, which prevents its deposition in the joints and accelerates elimination from the body. To effectively fight gout, you need to eat at least 2 bananas daily. The fourth plant that prevents the development of gout is ginger. The anti-inflammatory properties of this root are good known. In the case of gout, its regular use helps reduce pain and relieve swelling from the joint. To do this, you need to squeeze the juice out of several slices. Ginger in a glass of water or stir tea in it a spoonful of ground ginger. You need to drink this mixture once a day. And finally, the fifth remedy is lemon juice. It is one of the best sources of vitamin C. It is an effective antioxidant that can neutralize uric acid. This relieves pain and inflammation in the joints. The juice of half a lemon must be squeezed into a glass of water. During the day you need to drink 2 glasses, morning and evening. You can additionally add half a teaspoon to this mixture spoons of soda. These products are not only effective for gout, but also do not have a negative effect on the body. Therefore, they can be used constantly. In combination with proper nutrition, which does not excess purines, according to Chinese doctors, these foods will relieve you of gout. And in addition to products, there are a number of time-tested folk recipes for this disease. And we will start with vegetable juice and baths with herbal decoction. Baths and juice for gout. Fight this disease. Baths and juice for gout. It is best to use complex effects. You should take juice from dill, parsley, celery and lemon. All these plants contain substances that bind and remove acids, including uric acid. In addition, they increase immunity and have a beneficial effect on kidney function. To prepare this juice, take small bunches of dill, parsley and celery and finely chop there. Pour half a liter of hot water into the bowl with these herbs. Water and cover the bowl with a tight lid. Let this mixture sit for 20 minutes. After this, strain the resulting infusion and add to it freshly squeezed juice of 1 lemon. You need to drink this juice little by little throughout the day. In addition to directly cleansing the body, it is good strengthens the immune system. Local baths help with gout. To prepare them, take 3 tablespoons of dry calendula and the same amount of chamomile. Mix these ingredients in a liter jar and add to the top of boiling water. Close the lid and let it brew for half an hour. Pour warm water into a basin that is comfortable for you temperature. Add 100 grams of salt to it and stir thoroughly. Pour chamomile infusion with calendula into a bowl, stir and start rinsing your feet. You need to keep your feet in this bath for 20 minutes. Do these procedures 3 times a week. This way you can avoid sudden flare-ups of gout. Another recipe was recommended by a world-famous doctor. The peculiarity of this product is its complex effect in the body. We would like to share the recipe of an American Dr. Josh Axe, who instead of pharmaceuticals, suggests using a complex of natural products. We are talking about 3 remedies: nettle, fish oil and magnesium. Dried nettle tea is a powerful anti-inflammatory remedy that can relieve not only joint inflammation, but also similar processes in internal organs. Therefore, nettle has long been widely used in folk medicine. The only contraindication to its use is increased blood thickness. As nettle can thicken, there is even more of it. Fish oil complements the anti-inflammatory effect of nettle. It does not work as powerfully, but for a long time. This property of slave fat is explained by the presence it contains omega-3 fatty acids. You should take fish oil daily. In addition to the prevention and treatment of gout, it activates many important processes in the body and strengthens immunity. Magnesium plays a decisive role in this complex, because if previous remedies help relieve inflammation and consolidate this effect, then magnesium, being alkaline mineral, reduces the production of uric acid. So, taking magnesium at least a couple of times 1 month per year can normalize the concentration uric acid in the body. Combine these remedies and you can forget about attacks. Gout. How does sunflower root treat gout? Remember, gout is not a death sentence. With the right approach and constant care of your health, you can lead a fulfilling lifestyle, enjoying every moment without pain.